Hi Zoe!
Hello.
So what are you going to do today?
Today, I'm going to ride the motorcycle with Daddy.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is your first time. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Oh my goodness! Okay. Okay, bye-bye Zoe. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on tight. They're coming back. Hi, where's Zoe? Oh my gosh. Zoe! There's Zoe! Zoe! One more? Bye! Oh my goodness. Whoa! Whee! Hi, sweetie.
We want to ride some more.
Some more? Okay. You having fun?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay. Alright, bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Yay! Woohoo! How was it, Zoe?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Was it fun?
Mm-hmm.
Ay. Okay.
Hey, this is a good time to fly the kite, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow! Did you have fun, baby? What?
It's fun.
It was fun? Okay. Alright.
That's me and
You
Daddy.
look so cute there, baby girl.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
That's me riding with Daddy.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.